Hey guys, okay, so this is part of the November craft box. This is going to be the little standing deers. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some sage and I'm going to paint the bells, and then I'm going to take pesto. So I wanted to do more of a brown and green theme, so you can do whatever colors you'd prefer. But I'm going to take a paintbrush as well, and I'm going to paint in that little part on the bell with the pesto. And then we're going to paint in the little berries on the greenery with white, as well as the snowflakes there, right? So just go in with a smaller paintbrush to get the little berries. There you go. So once you do that, set those aside to dry. I'm going to use Camel, and I'm going to take my little makeup sponge brush, and I'm just going to water down the paste just a tad bit, and then go ahead and just wipe that all over. I find that the coat is much easier, like it's easier to spread than using a paintbrush sometimes. Now you notice it has different colors there. It's just because it's drying. Once it dries, it'll all be the same color. And I'm going to take bark, and I'm going to do the whole bottom part where their hooves are at, as well as their nose. And then I am using the antique wax, the Art Minds one, and I'm going to go ahead and do the bases. You just need to do those top two pieces because they fit right on top of the other two, so you don't need to do that. But we'll set that aside to dry, and then I'm going to use white paste. And I'm going to go in with a smaller paintbrush, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of definition. You can, like scroll to the end or like watch the video forward to the end to see the actual picture if you want to do the exact lines that I did. But honestly, it's just wherever you feel like you want it to. Wherever you want them to be, right? So all of these should be dry. I've been using this permanent adhesive. I love it. I get it from Dollar General or Pop Shelf even. And I'm just going to start gluing all the things on it. Now the little bell, I did glue the little snowflake. And then for the big deer, I did the snowflake on her ear. Right? So it shows that she's the mama. And then I'll glue the bases. Okay, well, that is just about it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it.